Bullx Neo access code, how to get it, working 2025. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to obtain Bullx Neo access code for early platform access or exclusive features. The first thing you have to do is use the official access link, so direct Telegram bot. So visit the Bullx beta bot on Telegram via the link below. Click start and follow prompts to receive your code. Then web search, so search Bullx Neo access code on Google and visit bullxneo.com or affiliated pages to find active codes like Access, HWN, G75, etc. Then you want to join the Bullx community, so Telegram/Discord. Click connect to Telegram or Discord links on Bullx Neo's website. Then engage with admins to request codes, and you can also use Reddit forums so you can check r/crypto code or Bitcoin talk for user shared codes. Then you want to enter the code, launch Bullx Neo, and visit the platform or bot interface. Then paste the code, so input the code into the designated field and activate the features. Unlock early access, reduce fees, or advanced tools. Some important notes is some code empry, so codes like this may have limited validity. Redeem promptly. There's also many scams, so avoid unofficial sellers, so codes are free via official channels. Then double check URLs to prevent pushing. There's also many platform updates, so Bull Neo's access mechanics may change. Monitor their official website or social media. You can also troubleshoot, so if you have an invalid code, refresh the page or request a new code via Telegram. If there's no code found, contact Bullx Neo support or wait for public releases. By following these steps, you can securely obtain a Bullx Neo access code and explore its trading tools. Always verify sources to protect your assets. Subscribe.